Offering 7 cutting settings to handle a variety of wood types, our Deluxe Plate Joiner Kit boasts an industry-leading motor for powerful, dependable performance. Whether you're a professional cabinet maker or woodworker, you'll appreciate its versatile fence and efficient design. The wood jointer kit includes a 4-inch blade for standard size cuts and an innovative fence system with a pivot point to provide accurate height readings. This plate joiner handles a wide range of joining applications and boasts an industry-best motor and adjustment knob for power and precision. For optimum control and stability during cuts, the bale handle of the wood jointer is attached to the fence rather than the motor. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The joiner tool has 7.0 amp, 120 volts, AC only, 10,000 revolutions per minute. Number 2. 1-inch OD dust port of the plate joiner accepts standard bag or can be connected to a vacuum. Number 3. Porter cable joiner fence tilts from 0 degrees to 135 degrees with a positive adjustable stop at 90 degrees. Number 4. Precise micro height adjustment knob. Number 5. Lock-on trigger. Number 6. Includes 4-inch diameter blades for standard biscuit cutting. Number 7. Height scale accurate at any angle. Number 8. 7-position rotating depth stop for FF. Number 0. Number 10. Number 20. Simplex, Duplex, and Max. Number 6. Biscuits. Number 9. The spindle lock feature allows for single wrench bit changes. Number 10. Bale handle attached to fence, not motor, for greater stability and added control during cuts. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.